If you want to save website or app's password in your Google account, first open settings and scroll down and open Google, or just type this search bar as Google. Search, then open this Google, and here you can see you have saved a Google account. Just open the Google account you want to save password. For me is this. Then just click Google account and switch this to security. Scroll down to end and you can see the option password manager. Open that. Then click settings and turn on these three options. Back. Again open that. Now you can see add password option. Just click that and here click select app. If the app was present here, just select the app or just type the address here. I mean the website address or app address. If you don't know, minimize this and open any browser and just type the app name or website name. For example, I just type Facebook, just like that. Here it says facebook.com. You don't need the www like that stuff, just the app or website name and the domain address. So it's facebook.com. So I again came here and here just type facebook.com. That's it. Now here type the Facebook account, email address, phone number or username. I just type my Facebook account email address. You just enter your login credential here. That's it. Now enter the password. Okay, I just enter that. Then click save. And here you can see two Facebook account. If I click that, enter screen passcode. And here you can see there two added password, which is this one. So it's added now. After this, if you signed in or log into your Facebook account, you can see the pop-up option. You just need to tap enter and that's it. After this, you can see the autofill option on any browser or any app if you log in. So this is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about Google services, watch these videos.